5 persons, including a female, a child, shot and injured in Trenchtown. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 5 persons, including a female and a child, were all shot and injured by gunmen in Trenchtown, St. Andrew on Thursday evening. Reports are that a number of persons were standing along 5th Street in the community when men traveling in a motor car drove up and opened fire. 5 persons were found suffering from gunshot wounds after the shooting ended. Sources are reporting that a female was shot in the face and a child was among the injured. Their conditions are unknown at the publication of this report. This has been Links 007 TV, and we'll have an updated report to come on this story. Thanks for watching.